Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys like how you can basically find where your exported videos went on CapCut PC. So press export here, and then this is where your file should be at. So select the folder. If you've already exported the video, just select the file path. So I just selected this. Right click copy, go to your folder here and select the file path and just paste it, and it's going to bring you to that folder. So that's where your video will be. If not, once you've exported it, you can just simply select open folder and you're going to find your video should be there. But that is it. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!